President Donald Trump's tariffs threatening to squeeze India out of its biggest export market, New Delhi is casting its net wider. On August 20th, India finalized the terms of reference for a free trade agreement with the Eurasian Economic Bloc. The grouping includes old partners Russia, Kazakhstan and Belarus, as well as newer allies Armenia and Kyrgyzstan. The proposed deal signals India's bid to find new markets for key exports like shrimps, textiles, footwear and jewelry. This comes as Trump threatens to double import duties on Indian goods to 50%. Such steep tariffs would be tantamount to a near embargo, pricing Indian goods out of the American market. A Moneycontrol analysis shows India's engagement with the bloc, excluding Russia, has been a mixed bag since the pandemic. Overall trade halved to $1.2 billion in 2024 compared to $2.1 billion in 2019. Much of this contraction is due to reduced oil and chemical imports from Kazakhstan and sanctions that have squeezed trade with Belarus. But there are bright spots. Armenia and Kyrgyzstan have emerged as outliers. India's trade with Armenia surged nearly sixfold, climbing from $40 million in 2019 to $223 million in 2024. Kyrgyzstan too has doubled its trade with India during the same period. Exports have driven this momentum. India's shipments to Armenia rose fivefold since 2019, accounting for more than 80% of bilateral trade. Key categories include precision equipment, arms and ammunition, and diamonds, together making up half of India's $186 million exports to Armenia last year. This commercial uptick reflects a deeper strategic partnership. CIPRI data shows Armenia as one of India's fastest-growing defense markets. In 2024, Armenia accounted for 19% of India's defense exports, while India supplied 17% of Armenia's defense imports. Deals have included sensors, air defense systems and missiles, helping Yerevan diversify away from Russia at a time of regional insecurity. Analysts say the proposed trade deal could open the door to even more exports in this sector. Russia, once dominant, has seen its share in Armenia's defense imports fall from 90% to 76%. It still controls over 90% of the defense import market in Kazakhstan and Belarus, and more than a third in Kyrgyzstan. For India, the FTA with the Eurasian bloc is both a hedge against American tariffs and a strategic bet on new allies. Whether it can soften the blow of Trump's trade war remains to be seen.